Hey guys, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look for you. I have some diamond glitter eyeliner and a hot pink lip, which is from Fenty Beauty, which I adore. I'm going to just put my hair up into a high ponytail. This is the leftover from Flexi Rods. I did Flexi Rods 2 days ago. I'm trying to do more natural hair things. So yeah, that's what that is going on here in case you were wondering. This is going to be a voiceover because I filmed the entire video while my kids were around playing. So I'm going to voice over it to let you guys know what I'm doing basically. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep watching.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking a dark brown shade from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and I'm blending it into my crease area using the Sigma E25 brush. I'm also going to take the same shade and the same type of brush and apply it to my lower lash line. I'm just going to blend that in really nicely. Then I'm taking the deepest brown shade in that palette, and I'm going to use a flat definer brush from Sigma as well to apply that closer to my waterline. Next, I'm going to take a shimmery shade in the palette, like a beige shade, and I apply that all over my lid with a flat shader brush from MAC. I'm just packing this color on. I apply Fix Plus as well to make it stand out even more. I just wanted a really nice, clean, blank lid for this look. I wanted all the drama to be in the eyeliner as well as the lip color. So I'm going to take this platinum colored eyeliner from Jcat Beauty. It is a liquid eyeliner. I'm going to shake it and apply it to my lid. I love this eyeliner because it is a platinum color, so basically it's like a shimmery silver, but it's really pretty. You do have to shake it to get the product out, but once you do get that product out, it's really nice and pigmented, and it creates the most gorgeous platinum eyeliner ever. So yeah, I really loved it. So that's what I'm doing right now. Basically, just get your wing as perfect as you want. The thicker the better for this look because you really want the eyeliner to be drama, and I would even make it thicker than I did it just because it looks so pretty once you apply that NYX glitter to it. It looks so gorgeous. Like, I love it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm perfecting my eyeliner, and then I'm going to apply the glitter. This is a beautiful glitter from NYX. It is actually like different colors of like it's almost like holographic. It's just really pretty. So I apply eyeliner glue. I like to use lash glue. I like to use the Too Faced glitter glue, but I actually lost mine, so I'm using lash glue for this. So now I'm just gonna pack on the glitter using an angled brush. It just gives you more control, allows you to just stay in the line a lot better. I am focusing my camera and I am just packing that glitter on to make it really nice and dense. Using a color eyeliner like this really makes this glitter stand out because the glitter is actually like a platinum color with some beautiful rainbow sparkles mixed in, so it looks really pretty together. I've been low-key dying to use this glitter for as long as I've owned it. I think I have it for like 3 months now, and I've been literally dying to get to use it, and finally I decided to do this look with it. I'm just taking off extra glitter that got stuck with my lashes, and I'm gonna apply mascara. I'm using this Buxom mascara, which I've been enjoying. It has a pretty thick brush, which makes it really volumizing. It does have some clumpiness to it, but I do like that extra drama. And I'm using these new lashes from Ardell Beauty, which I absolutely love. I need to go find the package and the number of it because I need to get some more of those lashes. I really love them. I did dust it off my face with a Royal and Land Nickel brush to take off excess powder, and I'm going to just powder contour my face using the Black Radiance contour palette, which I have been really enjoying as well. I'm just going to blend that in with a angled blending brush from Sigma. I'm just blending out my nose contour to make it look more natural. It just really makes it pop a little bit more. I'm going to now contour my face with powder contour using an angled blush brush, but I like to use this to just do a loose contour where it's not too concentrated. Now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighter, which I have been loving. This is one of the new colors that they came out with. You guys see how beautiful this is, and this is pre Jaclyn Hill highlight technique discovery, so I'm using my old technique here, but lately I have been using the beauty blender for my highlight, as you guys saw in my last video, and I really love that technique a lot better. So I'm just using this brush like I used to do, and I will do sometimes as well, I guess. Like, I love the brush. So I will apply the highlighter, and I'm going to blend it out to make it look more blended, and just add some more highlighter, you know, just add some more. You never have enough highlighter. You just glow on. So I love this color so much, and I will link it below from Wet n Wild, like I said. So yeah, once you get that glow popping, you could go ahead and do your nose. I like to do a little line at the top part of my nose. It's a short line. I think based on the shape of your nose, you could kind of customize or decide how you want to go ahead and highlight it. But I like this technique on my nose type or my nose shape. And the bottom of my nose, the top part here, I'm applying a little circle of highlight, and I like this technique a lot better for my nose shape. If your nose is longer, you may have a different technique. If it's shorter, you may have a different technique. So that's basically that. For a lip, I am using the same highlighter to highlight the top part of my lip, my cupid's bow. And I love doing this for every look. Even though I kind of cover it up with lipstick, I still love doing it. I'm also going to use the same highlight for my inner corner highlight. I like to use the same color highlight all over. Sometimes I do use eyeshadow to highlight my inner corner, but most of the time I do go over it with my face highlight just because it kind of brings the entire look together. I like using that same color everywhere that is highlighted, so it just looks like, you know, one, and it looks uniform, you know what I mean? So yeah, unless I'm doing like a completely different eye look, I tend to use that same highlighter for my inner corner. And I love an inner corner glow because it just looks beautiful. I feel like an inner corner glow just makes you look, it just adds some life to your life, you know what I mean? So now I'm gonna use Max Cork. I think this is Max Cork. Yeah, Max Cork lip liner to line my lips. And it's one of my favorite lip liners. As you can see, it's not like down, but the pencil is a little bit down, and you barely ever see that from me. So that's when you know I love a product, when you see it's like going down. You know, I've sharpened it quite a bit. So I'm just lining my lips with this lip liner. And I'm going to use a Fenty Beauty lipstick. It is called Candy Venom, which is a hot pink color. And you could use it without a lip liner, but I like using lip liner just because I feel like it makes almost everything look 10 times better. It just goes on a lot smoother when you apply lip liner. You can use lip liner before or after your lipstick. I've tried both ways. I feel like I get the same results. So now I'm going to take this Candy Venom color, which is a hot pink from Fenty Beauty. And I do love these lipsticks because they're so plush and beautiful. They're not drying at all. They go in really smoothly, and they just add a ton of color to your lips. They remind me of some Makeup Geek lipsticks. I think they were called Plush as well. But I love these lipsticks so much. Still have a couple shades that I want to pick up, even though I picked up a bunch already. I do want to pick up one called PMS that a lot of people are actually asking me to try, and if I have tried it already, but I didn't actually pick it up originally, but I will now because it looks so pretty on everyone that I see wearing it. So I need to pick up that shade. I do love freckle whatever it's called, freckle fiesta or something, I don't know, but it looks really pretty. It's like an orangey shade. It's definitely pretty. So I love these lipsticks a lot, and I'm just applying a lot of it. It looks a little bit more toned down because I do have the brown lip liner. Without the brown lip liner, it looks a lot more bright and pigmented. This helped tone it down a bit, which, you know, if I had known before, I probably wouldn't have added a lot of lip liner because I wanted it to be a little bit more vibrant. But yeah, the only thing about these, they can be a little bit messy because they're so like soft and plushy. So I like to use concealer to kind of cover up and fix any mistakes that I made. I'm just using the same concealer I use for my brows, which is MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC45, which is what I've been using for my brows for literally years. So yeah, that's actually the first concealer I ever owned. I got it when I was going off to college. My mom went to MAC with me, and she got me that concealer, and she got me a mineralized skin finish back when the cover was clear, not a mirror. So those are my two first MAC products. I got them when I was going off to college. So yeah, that is the entire look, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh wait, sorry, I have to put on this gloss. This is Plutonic Relationship from her Galaxy collection, Fenty Beauty, and I love this gloss so much. It's so pretty. I love it. So I'm just topping that off with this gloss because I feel like it's gonna make the look a lot better. I love gloss. So yeah, and now this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.